Hello there, friends and neighbors. I'm going to show you how to install VMware Horizon Client app so that you can access R and R Commander, the statistical software that we use, and also Microsoft Office, including the Microsoft Excel package and Microsoft Word, all of which we use for this class for Intro Stats. If you prefer to use a different spreadsheet, such as Google Sheets or OpenOffice or LibreOffice, that's perfectly fine as well. But R is the statistical package we're going to need to use in this class. And you might want to install R on your own computer. You can certainly do that. I'm going to show you how to access R through the school, so you don't necessarily have to have it installed on your own computer. Once I get into the virtual machine on campus, I will show you how to install R there so that you have access to it. And if you want to install R on your own computer, it's the same steps. First and foremost, all of this information is already available to you in the General Course Materials module, General Course Materials page. If you click on General Course Materials and then click on Statistical Software, I have detailed instructions already there to show you how to do that. This video is to reinforce that. Okay? Alright, so here are the steps. First, you have to install a VMware Horizon Client app. You can find that on the web, and if you're using a phone or a tablet that is Android-based, you can find it in the Google Play Store, and you can also find it in the Apple Store. It's very common, readily available software, and here's what it looks like. Okay, and mine has a green circle with a monitor and a bunch of triangles. Okay, once you get into the VMware Horizon Client app, the next step is to add a new server. I'm clicking on the plus new server icon, and the name of the new server is mydesktop.centralia.edu. Okay. Now I've already got it installed, so I'm going to cancel that. I've already got that that client created. Okay. The next thing you need to do is to log in to the connection you just created. To do that, you will use your Centralia College email ID and password. If you don't remember your Centralia College email ID and password, I can tell you what the default is, and you may have to contact IT for help. So the login ID is first name dot last name, your first name dot last name. The password, if you haven't changed it, starts with an exclamation mark, then it's the capital first letter of your first name, then the lowercase first letter of your last name, then the last 6 digits of your SID, your student ID. For example, Preston.Keekle is my login, and my default password before I changed it was exclamation mark, capital P, lowercase k, and then the last 6 digits of my SID, which of course mine is an employee ID. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will of course use your own. If you changed your password and forgot what it was, or if you don't know, or if you have any trouble, you can contact IT through helpdesk@centralia.edu or by calling 360-623-8910 or by going to Washington Hall, room 202. Anyway, that stuff is how you get signed in. I'll show you what it looks like. You double click on the connection you created, you enter in your login ID, Preston.Keekle, and you enter your password. Okay. And in your case, instead of Centralia, you would choose, under the domain, you choose student. Now I'm not a student, so it doesn't work for me, but you choose student and then you click OK. I'm going to choose Centralia and click OK. Otherwise, all the steps are the same. Once you get in, you click on Statistics. I'm going to click on Faculty, but you click on Statistics. I'm going to click on Faculty so I can demonstrate the installation. So click on Faculty, or in your case, Statistics. And it may take a while because you are actually signing into a computer.